Welcome to Become a Programmer Full Course 2025. In this video, we'll dive into topic Programming Fundamentals
1 of 14. If you were writing your source code in the JavaScript programming language, what file extension would you use to save your file? Options.script, JS, Java, PI. The correct answer is script. Question 2 of 14. What is the standard extension to use for a Python source code file? Options.txt, py.doc, empty extension, .txt is the correct option. While a Python file is written in plain text, its extension is not .txt. Question 3 of 14. If you were developing an application for an iPhone, which ID would you use? Options: Android Studio, RubyMine, Xcode. Android Studio is the correct option. Question 4 of 14. Which ID feature allows you to get code suggestions while you are typing? Options: syntax highlighting, Xcode, device preview, IntelliSense. Syntax highlighting is the correct option. Syntax highlighting is used to color code elements but does not offer code suggestions. Question 5 of 14. Which tool is used to write source code? Options: a text editor, a web browser, a spreadsheet application, a word processor. A text editor is the correct option. Question 6 of 14. Which language does not use a hybrid compiler-interpreter approach? Options: C, C#, Python, Java. C++ is the correct option. Question 7 of 14. Why doesn't a Python file execute when you double-click it? Options: you need to use the .exe file extension. Python code needs to be compiled to bytecode before it can be executed. Double-clicking does not run the Python interpreter on the source code. You need to use the .exe file extension is the correct option. Question 8 of 14. Which language is considered an interpreted language? Options: C, JavaScript, C, Objective-C. C is the correct option. The C language must be compiled before it can be executed as a program. Question 9 of 14. How would you write the Hello World program in Python? Options: print, Hello World, document. Write, Hello World, std, count less than Hello World, put Hello World. Print, Hello World is the correct option. Question 10 of 14. Source code is written in rich text. Options: false, true. False. Correct. Question 11 of 14. Programming can be defined as converting ideas into that a computer can understand. Options: instructions, appeals, recommendations. Instructions. Correct. Question 12 of 14. Why do computer instructions need to be sequential? Options: the order in which these instructions are executed is important. Providing the instructions in sequence also makes them exact. A sequence of instructions results in fewer crashes. A sequence of instructions results in fewer bugs. The order in which these instructions are executed is important, is the correct option. Question 13 of 14. In programming, a crash is when your program stops early or freezes because something unexpected happened. Options: false, true. False is the correct option. 14 of 14. Why are there many programming languages? Options: to support different text entry formats, to address many different computing needs, to directly write machine language, to offer a syntax closer to a human language, to support different text entry formats is the correct. Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist Become a Programmer Full Course 2025 to master programming from beginning to advanced.